The 2018 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, traction control, backup camera, power passenger seat, power liftgate, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.